So hello student, welcome to our channel CBSE Science Lovers. So today we are with some important topic of this chapter. The first phenomena that is very important for examination point of view, my dear student, that is sublimation. I already told you sublimation, but take some special focus on the sublimation. What is the sublimation, my dear student? Sublimation is a special phenomena at which the solid phase of the matter directly converted into its gaseous phase without going to the liquid phase at normal atmospheric pressure. That procedure is said to be sublimation. And the substance which directly convert from solid to the gaseous phase at normal temperature and pressure, that is said to be the sublimating substance, like your camphor. Camphor is a sublimating substance. Atmospheric pressure, that is very important, my dear student. We are saying, or we are doing all such activities at the atmospheric pressure. This picture you are showing how we sublimate, how we demonstrate the sublimation process. So easily arrange this setup in a china dish. Take some sublimating substance like camphor, like ammonium chloride, that is NH4Cl. So take up the sublimating substance in the china dish and covered it by a funnel, inverted funnel, and plug the top of the inverted funnel by the cotton plug and give the heat by a burner to that system. So after some time you will observe that there is the vapors accumulated in the inverted funnel. That vapor is of the ammonium chloride vapor. So here in this case, my dear student, ammonium chloride is on heating, it is converting into gaseous form, vapor form directly without going to the liquid. So that phenomena is said to be the sublimation, and such substance are said to be sublimating substance. Another sublimating substance, my dear student, dry ice. What is dry ice? Dry ice is just nothing, the solid phase of the carbon dioxide, my dear student. Just if you compress the carbon dioxide gas, then CO2 gas at high pressure, it becomes solidified, solid CO2, and that solid CO2 is generally said to be the dry ice. So dry ice is just nothing, is the solid form of the carbon dioxide. Yes, carbon dioxide can be solidified after applying high pressure on it. So this dry ice further on heating converted into carbon dioxide gas directly. So we can say that dry ice is also one sublimating substance. So sublimating substance is another important topic, my dear student. And just 3 points also comes in the chapter, my dear student. That is the melting point, second one boiling point, and third one freezing point. So one thing is rememberable, my dear student. What are the things? Just melting point is a specific temperature at atmospheric pressure, one specific temperature at which any solid start to convert into liquid phase. That specific temperature is said to be melting point of that particular material, and this melting point is different to the different matter. It depends on the structure of the matter. For example, the melting point of the ice is 0 degree Celsius, or you can call 273 Kelvin. So melting point is a temperature, one specific temperature at which solid phase of any matter start to convert into its liquid phase. Now boiling point is also one specific temperature at which the liquid phase is converted into gaseous phase. A specific temperature at which liquid phase converted into gaseous phase at atmospheric pressure. So that temperature is said to be the boiling point, and this boiling point also varies to the different liquid phase of matter. For the water, the boiling point of the water is 100 degrees Celsius. So it is different to other liquid. My dear student, so freezing point is the specific temperature at normal pressure at which the liquid form of the matter converted into the solid form. So freezing point is also very important. So these point, my dear student, are specific temperature at normal atmospheric pressure at which the phase start to change. That is simple. So these are the small topics we have discussed in this chapter. So to get more topics, more queries, बने रहिए हमारे साथ on our channel CBSE Science Lovers. If you are the science lover, then you will be our viewer. Thank you. Have a nice day.